Oh, you guys, check out this amazing wetland area I just discovered. I've never been here before, and this is in my backyard. This is the coolest place ever. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a place in here, in this little wetland area, and I'm gonna put this cool little flashlight. Check this out. This comes off like so. Boom. Battery, logs in there. Shh, don't tell anybody. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna hide a geocache today in this cool wetland area. Ooh, it's getting a little windy. I wonder how the sound is. Hopefully it's good. I got my dead cat on there. So that was a bullfrog right over there. All right, let's go see if we can find ourselves a location for this geocache. This place is so cool. This brings me back to my college days. I graduated from college with an environmental and science degree, and a lot of it was on wetland sciences. Did you guys know? That's what it says right here. Did you know? This area was once covered by a lake. I didn't know that. It's news to me. Now I know. Also, check this out. This area here, check it out. Okay, it's used to collect and clean stormwater. So all the stormwater from the neighborhoods that are in the area all comes into this wetland here. It all gets filtered, and then slowly all that water goes into the nearby creek. What creek, do you ask? I'll tell you. Burnt Bridge Creek. That's what creek. This is amazing. Oh, wait, I've lost track of what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be hiding a geocache. Let's go hide this. Oh, you guys, this one talks about all about the animals that are here and stuff. All these animals that can be introduced to this area. Just check this out. Painted turtles, chorus frogs, gray blue herons, dragonflies, red-tailed hawks, raccoons. The raccoons can stay here. I don't want them in my house. I have chickens, and yeah, I hear they don't do nice things to chickens, so the raccoons can stay in this area here. So anyway, check it out. We've got logs and snags and trees, shrubs, and ground cover and open water. This is going to be a perfect place for this geocache. Oh, this is so cool. Right over here, you got a bunch of cattails circling in this lake. So you have this lake area here for all these ducks and geese and whatnot. All right, I gotta go hide this geocache. But this lake is really cool. Yeah, because I got these little barb things like all over my socks. Alright guys, anyway, geocache is officially hidden. Now all I gotta do is finish my cache page, publish it, and get that little puppy published today. Kind of a battery powered one, you know what I mean? You saw it in the beginning. Hey, anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me on my adventure, and thanks for watching the whole video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my video. Check out the other adventures I go on. Like this video, and ooh, cache this video. Let's call it that. Yeah, cache this video. That means like it, all right? You know when you go out in the cache and you press the like button when you find those geocaches that you really like? Yeah, like this video. And if you're not, again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And with that, I'm out of here. I did my duty. I'm gonna go home and sleep well.